Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels 2023 US M case. We did the international M case from A&J Toys a few weeks ago. Now we have got the US case from Mattel. They just sent it. It just arrived and I figured this is a great way to get back to doing videos. I'm outside and it's windy. That may have been a mistake, but I wanted to do a video and I wanted to do outside, so we're gonna see if we can get this done before the rain comes. I think these are remnants from the tropical storm that blew through California. So anyway, we're gonna open this one up. We're gonna see what's inside. I have been busy while I've been away from videos, doing a lot of shorts you may have noticed on Instagram and even here on YouTube, and prepping a bunch of Lamley drops. We've got Lamley Studio Works drops coming up, and in the coming month we've got a big JCCS exclusive dropping the weekend of the Hot Wheels convention at the Japanese Classic Car Show. And then we have this Saturday. I just announced this. It's the Tarmac Works Lamley Special Edition Liberty Walk Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. We're going to be making this available with the exclusive Lamley bundle pin from Lean Customs, exclusively on Whatnot this Saturday, 9 a.m. Pacific. There's a link down below. You want to definitely sign up. Bookmark that show. I'll be giving away some chases, auctioning some chases for those that want it. The car is fantastic. It's heavy, it rolls, it's beautiful. Check that thing out. I'm just so happy with this one, even the Lamley logo there on the back window. So that will join the others. I'll do some more coverage throughout the week, but that will join the other white car Lamley exclusives from Tarmac Work. Let's get to this unboxing before the rain comes. When I commit to opening it, we're on, right? So let's just do this. We'll remember the models. I know that I've seen Ministry and others. I think everybody, some of those early unboxing groups have done these. They've been up to Q, I think. But what we like to do here with Lamley is to kind of stay in line with when they start hitting the stores. So the MK should be in stores soon. Let's get right to it. 2010 Camaro SS, I think we've seen it. Now I'm gonna have to remember when everything is hit. There is the Treasure Hunt, the Time Shifter. Really cool deco on this one. A lot of people digging that. I am too. Love where they put the logo. Love the Treasure Hunt delivery portion of it on the Time Shifter. And there's the really cool Ford Mustang, 07 Ford Mustang Falcon. That reminds me, I am doing the Purges still too. I took a couple weeks off from there too, and we're gonna be selling those on Whatnot. It's gonna be nuts. I'm just telling you, get used to it. We're gonna do a lot of Lamley stuff soon. Batmobile, oh look, Volvo P1800 Gasser. There's the recolor of the Legends winner and the Poison Arrow. In the sneak peeks video, I have the next Legends winner. I have that model too. Toyota Supra, that's the tuned version from Fast and Furious. That one's cool. There's the Ducati Desert X. Is that a new model? Yep, it is, for 2023. And there is, oh look, Batmobile. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, that's really cool in black. There's the Volvo P1800 Gasser, that's a lot of wind. There's the Batmobile. There's a Batmobile. Okay, every trio has had a Batmobile so far. 2018 Honda Civic Type R, that's fantastic in the police livery with the Japanese nostalgic car logo on it as well. Really love seeing that. That's a whole series we should probably put together, is all the JNC cars. That'd be kind of cool. Fiat 500 and the Honda Civic Custom recolor of that one from green to orange. There's another Ford Mustang. There is the recolor of the Koenigsegg Chimera in yellow. That looks awesome. And the Tesla Roadster in orange. That looks cool too. And there's some more wind, but let's just keep going. Love the Rimac Nevera recolor in white. That's the blue was cool. I think the white's even cooler. Kind of has that Stormtrooper look, which I think is so cool. Turbine Sublime, and then new model 73 Jeep J10. Can't remember if that's new to this case or the previous case, but when you haven't done an unboxing in a while, that's what happens. Hot wired, wind, head gasket. Whoa. And there is the Trouble Decker, which is a new model as well. Kind of a cool original. Right, we're gonna keep going. Lolix, Batmobile, and I forgot this was from Barbie. This is the 2024 GMC Hummer EV. This was Ken's car, right? I believe. And since I did the last unboxing, I have seen the movie. Loved it, by the way. And now I know that that is from the Barbie movie. Pontiac Firebird, Legends winner from last year. Volvo XC40 Recharge. That might be new to this case. I think it is. I do like the deco on it. Still don't know what I'm to make of that casting, but I like the deco on it. Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. I just can't wait to show you these sneaks I've got. All right, another one of the Ken cars, Surf Duty, and there's that beauty. Favorite casting of the year. Going to be a super treasure hunt next year. 560 SEC AMG in silver. Just a beauty. And have I been doing highlights? I don't even know, because we've already been pulling these aside. So it's a highlight for me, so I'll put it over there. Highway Hauler, I do like that one in that deco. There's the Batmobile and a Bricking Speed. All right, that's the first 36. Let's see what we got with the next 36. All right. Ooh. Ice Shredder. I believe the Volkswagen ID Buzz is a new model, so I guess we'll put that off to the side. I think the Jeep is too. If we ever find another one, we'll pull it out. Baja Bison T5. I wasn't doing the highlights. I got to get back to doing my normal, all of my highlights and stuff like that, to do the unboxings. Aston Martin Vatch GTE. That looks cool. That's the Gulf recolor, right? Chevy Chevette. That's cool. It's going to be in black as a Target red edition. I'll be doing that preview in a little bit. And there's another Volkswagen ID. By the way, that Chevy Chevette is awesome. I think that's kind of an underrated casting. I really like when they do those. BMW i8 Roadster recolor in black. That looks really nice, just in straight black with the chrome rims. Love the Land Cruiser. I know that was, I can't remember if that was in this case, first in this case or not. And the Lotus Emira. That looks nice in charcoal gray. Surf Duty, there's another Mercedes. It's always a highlight to pull the Mercedes. Eric Stein rod, that looks cool in the 55th anniversary edition. 2010 Camaro SS, 20 Toyota Tacoma, and the DMC DeLorean. By the way, the Tacoma, the reason I'm going to mention this one, not only is that a fantastic casting and a fantastic version in white with the blue rims, but the Lamley curation stuff that we're doing, these special customs, we're going to be doing a special line, details soon, in raising money for the fire victims in Maui. And you know, the Tacomas are among the 808 style trucks. Tacomas are kind of the way to go. It's really, the origins are on Toyota Tacomas. We're going to be doing we'll get some information on that, but it's going to do a special line of customs to raise funds for Maui. Really excited about that. Jackhammer, Lolix, and the Volvo XC40 Recharge. Go to my Instagram and you'll start seeing the details rolling out on that. Tesla again, Lotus again. There's the Jeep. Like I said, I don't know if it's new for this case or not, but we'll go and put it in the highlight pile because I think it is. Cloak and Dagger, Jackhammer, and the Fast Bed Hauler. I've always liked that casting, kind of a classic. And stuff here. Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. There's the Batmobile, and would this have been the Super in this case? I cannot remember. Well, no, this would be the Super in this case, but it isn't the Super, so we'll just put that off to the side. I'm trying to remember. Again, I got to remember all this stuff. Comet Cyclone. That was a Super in the last case. Obviously, it's not a Super, and obviously this one, the Mighty K, is not a Super. It'd have to be that Spectre Flame Red with the 4 spokes. Still a really cool casting. It's going to be a Zamac next year, along with being a Super Treasure Hunt this year. So that one's really cool, and I don't want to knock that over. Is this new to this case, to the M case, or was it the L case? The Alfa Romeo GTV 6 3.0. I think it was the L case still. I love it. Still, I'll put it over here. There's another Toyota Land Cruiser. And to finish off, Track Manga, Toyota Tacoma, and the DMC DeLorean. Fighting wind, so we're going quick. That, we'll just move that. Head gasket, Eric Stein rod, and the coupe clip. Put that down so the box doesn't blow away. I don't think this is new to that case, but that would be a highlight anyway. I think the Jeep J10 recolor of the Mercedes-Benz. I think the Rimac is another recolor. and the Volkswagen ID Buzz. I can't remember because it's been a while, but M case is good. I wouldn't say it's like the best case. I think, what was it? Not J case. H case or G case? The one with the Mercedes, the first edition of the Mercedes, plus the Audi, plus the Porsche Carrera. I still think that's just a case that just is phenomenal. It's the one with had the Corvette Super, the gas monkey. Anyway, this one is a cool case. Anytime this Mercedes shows up. I have the Super of this. I'm going to show it to you when I do the next sneak peeks video, so stay tuned. You guys tell me what you think. M case, it's a good one. So much stuff coming. I cannot wait to show you the exclusives, everything else, but really good videos as well. It's going to be a fun few weeks. Thanks, everybody. Bye.